to DrkLippie. Again, today we're going to do a review of a MAC lipstick, liquid lipstick called Feel So Grand, and it's by MAC. We love it. Anywho, this is a liquid matte that I've been wearing for the past 2 months, and I really like it. See how it looks on me. Isn't she pretty? We love her. So let's get into the phone and read some information. This is Feel So Grand by MAC. It is a deep, true red. For those who prefer timeless glamour to all-out flash, matte reigns supreme. MAC introduces a twist on this classic texture with robustly saturated shades of retro matte lipstick lip color. They claim that it's long wearing, 8 hours. I've been wearing it for about 2 months now, and I reapply every 2 to 3 hours. If I've eaten something hot, like some coffee, I do get some transfer, so I would have to reapply, and I do eat every 2 or 3 hours, small snacks and things. So if it's a coffee or a tea and it's hot, then it does transfer, but it will stay on about 5 hours. I don't recall it staying on 8 hours, but maybe different people have different experiences. Maybe it's 0 to 8, so I don't know. So for usage, they say to apply to lips using the edge of the applicator for a smooth, sharp shape. Also for a diffuse look, they say to try blending the edges of the lip with a 219 brush before the lip color dries. They also said to use it over prime and prep lip for ultimate comfort. I just used some chapstick. Another bus. I just used some chapstick and it seemed to work pretty well, so I did enjoy this lipstick very much. That is the video. I think I'm going to start going live once I have over 100 subscribers, because I would like to do live questions with you guys. So in the beginning, the videos will be pretty short, but as we do live videos, it will get to be much longer because we can have a discourse with each other about makeup and life and things like that. So thanks for tuning in. Again, here's the lipstick. Have a good night.